Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making classic European rolls. You're going to need 5 cups of flour, 2 cups warm water, half a cup oil, 1 tablespoon active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon salt. We're going to start with flour. With the spoon, just make a little space in the center. Add dry yeast. Add sugar. And then half a warm water. We're going to mix that for about 5 minutes to activate yeast. Then add the rest of the water. Add salt. Add half a cup of oil. And then we're going to knead the dough until it stops sticking to your hands. This is what it's supposed to look like, soft and smooth. Cover the dish with a little bit of oil and make sure the dough gets covered with oil as well, so it doesn't stick when it rises. Cover it with the plastic wrap. And towel and set it on the side to rise. After dough is doubled in size, spread a little bit of oil on your working area. Take the dough out and just stretch it. You don't need to knead it again. Then cut it in 16 even pieces. Take each piece and make a little ball out of it. It's going to be easier to stretch it. Cover it with the towel so they don't dry out. Again, spread a little bit of oil on your working area and then start stretching as much as you can. And really doesn't matter the shape, they're all going to turn out good. And then roll it as tight as you can. Whatever you like, you can keep them straight or you can just bend them a little bit. Then repeat this to the end. When you're done rolling, cover it with the towel and let it sit for another 10-15 minutes. Then we're going to take 1 egg yolk and gently brush it. Preheat oven to 392 and bake it for 30 minutes. They came out so beautiful, crunchy outside and soft inside. Enjoy! I hope you enjoy cooking with me. please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.